Step 2 is ride out the urge. So when that feeling comes on, resist the urge to crack your neck, relax, get into a good posture, move your head around a little bit, ride it out, give it a minute, and you will see that that urge will go away. Step 3 is to replace force with motion. So we're gonna take out the force of cracking your neck and we're gonna increase motion to your neck. So say you go to ride out the urge and you still feel like you are irritated, then what we can do now is a great neck motion called a chin tuck, where you glide your chin back, you're making double chins, hold it for a second, and then return to your normal position and repeat this motion about 10 times. When doing this, make sure that you're not tilting your head back. This is just a simple glide and hold for a second or two and then relax.